Nice cactus right there. Nice cactus.
Yeah, I know that's a nice cactus. I need to get some for the house.
Hey everybody, we're down here at the property, church property, and we're beginning to start a garden. And the name of the garden is Lily of the Valley Community Garden. This is a little over 8 acres here. Now, as Sequilla is walking up the road there, in this first section of the property, what we're planning on doing is building some units for students that can go to the college. They can use this property as housing. The first section of the property here, there's a college across the street there, so we plan on using this section here, this main road here, for student housing, scholarships. They don't have to pay to live here as long as they keep their grades up. They got to have great grades in order to stay here, because they don't have to pay to stay here, so they can stay here for 4 years. It'll be a scholarship. So that's what we're planning here. In the back of this area, we'll be using the area as Lily of the Valley Community Center, and probably have a section here as well farther back, maybe a ½ acre back. This area we'll be using for an area for the community to come out if they want to use it for picnic tables and things like that. So that's what we're planning on doing. So we got a lot of work ahead of us. As you can see, the land here, we haven't had the grass cut, I would say about 12 or 14 years. So we're going to start doing that. We're waiting on a tractor to come now. We purchased a tractor, John Deere 50 series, 1955 John Deere. Some older gentleman had it. He was a collector of tractors, mainly John Deere, but we purchased one of them. So that's what we'll be using the tractor for in this area. So this used to be a citrus grove. As you can see, some of the citrus are still here. And you know, down here in Florida, Central Florida, they had problems with the citrus. And you can see there, the county or the state have their trap there. And you can see the fruit trees. Most of them are dying in Central Florida. So we're having a major problem here. And so I think the name of it is greening. And even in California, the disease has spread over there. So many of the Florida citrus trees look similar to these here. But these trees here have been here about 20 years or so. But we have never fertilized them. We haven't really done anything to the property. We're just beginning to do something by starting the community garden, Lily of the Valley. So we're down here at Lily of the Valley Community Garden. And I would walk out that way direction, but down here in Florida we have snakes, rattlesnake snakes. And I don't have no boots on right now, so I'm not gonna walk too far out there. But as you can see, we have a lot of work to do. I'll be out here next week, cutting the grass and putting up a fence back in there about 2 acres back. And then cutting down some of the smaller trees, but we'll leave the oak trees for shaded areas. So we have plenty of work to do. This is Aquila. She's on the phone. Say hi, honey.
Hi. Say hi, honey.
So this is our first day down here.
Yeah, so
We was down here about 27 years ago.
Yes.
We had cleaned the land, I think it was 25 years ago we was here. But so we're getting ready to do something with this property. We have gotten older. I'm 67, so we're going to do something with it and leave it for the people to benefit from it, so folks can come out here and grow their vegetables and things like that. And we all know the food prices have risen. This is October, the last part of October through 2025. So it'll be a great help for the people. Plus, we'll be training people out here. If they're looking forward to starting a homestead, that's what we'll be doing on this property here. And also maybe getting into farming. We have different trainers out here teaching folks in the community around Florida and even around the country. We're planning on putting the Lily of the Valley in different places around the country and around the world. So we're looking forward to that. Doing a few places in Africa, like Nigeria and maybe South Africa and Kenya, and different places around Africa. And we're going to put up some of the same type of structures in the U.S. Because a lot of the farmers now is in their 60s, I think it's around 65. So a lot of the young people need to look forward because the baby boomers are retiring, and a lot of this land is going to be left, and for somebody got to go do that type employment. So farming is a good life, homestead is a good life. So that's what we'll be teaching the young people, to see the value in farming and in the land. Land is value. Land is power. Land is strength. Even the scripture says that land is your strength. Some people is without strength. That means they're without land. If you don't have no land, you really don't have much strength. You're dependent on everyone else for your survival. But you need to be in a position to grow your own fruit, take control of your own life. So that's what this is all about. Showing people and working with them, because we won't be around here that long. Like I was saying, I'm 67, so we want to leave a good foundation for the youth and for the younger people that's coming up now, and so they can see the value in the land. There's a lot of farmland that's becoming available. It's going to be the biggest wealth transfer, and one of the biggest in U.S. history in these latter days. So we want people to be partaking that, to see the value in land and not just waiting on someone else to grow their food, and not just always going and work on someone else's job when you can be possessing some of this land that's becoming available. So you need don't wait until the foreigners coming by. You need to put your money aside and start buying some acres now, maybe 10 acres, 5 acres. Start looking so you can take control of your own life, and you don't have to be concerned about the prices of food going up. So if they feed you, in a sense, they control you. So that's what this is all about. We want to leave an inheritance for the peoples, for our communities. So that's why we're doing this community garden, Lily of the Valley community garden. And the land actually belongs to the people. So we're showing you all the land, and it goes down. It's almost 9 acres of land. So we're waiting on the tractor to come. He's supposed to be nearby. He's bringing it from Miami. So he's supposed to be here in 15 minutes, so we're waiting on him. So we're out here waiting. So I have a lot of work to do next week. Actually, the tractor, I haven't driven a tractor in since 1983 or 4. So it's a 1950 tractor. I was born in 1958. I mean, it's a 1955. And I was born in 1958. So I went on YouTube last night so I can learn how to start the tractor up. So we'll be doing that the next few days, learning how to drive the tractor. And also we got the bush hog is coming on Monday. So, but this is how the land look now. And we would take you to the other side of the property. But the other side look a whole lot better than this. So this is our start. So this is what you're looking at. But in a few weeks, it's going to look totally different. Yes, indeed. It's going to look totally different. And we'll give you a few more pictures shortly. Well, anyway, have a great day. This is Willie and Aquila down at Lily of the Valley.
Community garden.
Community
Future
garden.
Site of community, Lily of the Valley Community Garden site.
Lily of the Valley Community Garden Site.
Coming soon.
So we're going to take you along with us on this journey.
Yes.
Make sure you follow us all around the country, not only in the U.S., but also in Africa.
Yes.
We want to start community gardens, Lily of the Valley Community Gardens, teaching people to possess land that's becoming available so they can start their own homestead and also their own farm. There's a lot of large farms that's having trouble right now, but if you can purchase yourself 50 acres and do it in a different way that the farmers are doing it now. A lot of the larger farmers are dependent on the government to sustain them and market to them other countries like China. And but when China start buying from someone else, you don't want to be left in a position that a lot of farmers are left in now. So you want to be in total control of your destiny. So that's what we're teaching the youth, the young people, to possess land that's becoming available, because this is one of the greatest wealth transfer. And you want to be able to possess some of that land. Don't just let foreigners come in and possess it. But you start saving your money and only buy, like, stop paying high prices for automobiles that you really don't need. Buy something that can get you from point A to point B. If you're planning on living the next 60 years in the U.S., you got to be able to control your spending and put your money where it belongs. Buy you some land, because when you got land, you have strength. Something of value. The scripture says, be strong. And when you got land, the scripture says, he gives us seed to sow. And you can possess the land, because a lot of the farmers, they are around 62, 63, and the children is not interested in going back into that. So a lot of that land is going to become available. So start saving your money so you can possess this land. So that's what we're doing out here, teaching our peoples to be strong and get their strength back. And when you get your land back, you're getting your strength. Okay, that land belongs to you. The soil belongs to you. That's where we came from. We came from the soil. It's a part of you. So we all supposed to be possessing some of it. So that's what this is all about. So we're taking you along with us on this journey.
Yes.